2 days, 2 person, with $200.
Yes, Siam. This is the price of freedom. You will learn it.
Mr. Vakia, they were marketing.
Oh dear, that's the other side of the world. Try this.
Hello there. Oh, maybe we get film. Oh, 呢個，你就呢一樣啦，拜拜。I think we only have these cash left.
Oh, but I'm still hungry. Look at that.
That's cost $15 for 3. We don't have that much money.
Oh, just come, just come.
Excuse me. Can I have these two?
走啦，唔知你講咩，唔好阻住我做生意。
Run! Just run! We'll meet at a point! Let's go! Magalenge! Look at this, look at this. Whoa, so here's Siam. This is his first ride on the farewell. Oh, look where he is, where he is. Oh, there you go, there you go. Oh, you're so sweet, silly boy.
So do you want to go up like...
No, I don't want to go up, man. I'm afraid of height. If you want to go up...
No. I don't want to leave you alone.
So, that's the only thing we have. What a nice lamb chop. Wow, and this wonderful view. What an extravagant styles, man.
Wow, it's pretty juicy. I like it. Hey, can you show me a dance?
No, I'm shy.
Hey, go show me a dance. I really like your dance. Okay?
Happy anniversary.
Why don't you use a lighter?
Have you ever heard of the little matchville?
What about you? What can you see from this?
Anke.
Hey, wake up!
I'm so tired.
Look at that. Can't you just come a bit later? What? Hey. Whoa, it's so beautiful here. Huh? Aren't you afraid of height?
Well, if you're with me, I guess I'm afraid of nothing. Well, but we come up so hot here. I guess it's much colder than we expected.
पर हम अभी क्या करें?
Hong Kong, remember us!
उस साल की सर्दी हम दोनों इस पेपर एयरप्लेन में बहुत दूर उड़े, अपनी सोच में बहुत दूर।